Reading your credit report easily. At this time, have your Equifax report in front of you. Your credit report is divided into 4, potentially 5 sections depending on the credit bureau. The first section is your personal information, such as your name, social security number, address, date of birth, and other information used to identify you. Second, and the bulk of your credit report, is your credit history. This area includes all account history, your open accounts, paid accounts, late payments, collections, etc. Please note that some reports have collections separated from this section. The third section is your public records, which includes bankruptcy, tax liens, and judgments. The last section of your credit report is inquiries, which includes a record of every company who has asked to see your credit report within the past 2 years. Now let's examine the credit history section a little bit more in detail. Look at one of the trade lines, also known as lines of credit. The components that make up lines of credit are creditor's name, account number, date open, credit limit, loan amount for installment accounts, outstanding balance, payment history, status, type of account, ECOA, which stands for Equal Credit Opportunity Act, simply means the person who is responsible for this account. The most common coding for ECOA is individual I, joint J, authorized A. Key areas to focus on where wrong information can negatively impact your credit score: date account open, last date of activity or payment, balance, credit limit, payment history, ECOA or whose account it is, and status of account. Now let's see how the same information is shown on the other 2 reports. Here is the Experian report: the personal information, credit history, public record, and inquiries. Finally, here is your Transunion report: personal information, credit history, public records, and inquiries. As you have seen, each report looks different, but the information should be the same. If not, this is one of the main reasons why you have different credit scores at all 3 credit bureaus.